Hi, hello, and namaste, friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel RSK Competitive World. I hope so that you are eagerly waiting for my next video, and that is like I will come back again with the next session, that is microorganisms, in that friend and foe. So, friends, we discussed that is the difference between that is what friend and foe. So, exactly the opposite word of friend is foe. So, why this lesson also given for you? Because to understand, we have two kinds of microorganisms, that is which are very friendlier to our health and which are very causes health hazardous to our body. And that is what we need to discuss in our daily life, how these microorganisms are helpful for us and how they will bring some diseases to our body. That is what we need to discuss today. Okay, in the last session we discussed it, a little bit to 1 minute I will brief out. That is, we discussed what is the microorganisms and various kinds in the microorganisms like bacteria, fungi, protozoa, algae, and also viruses. And a little bit difference also I gave, that is the difference between the viruses and some other microorganisms like bacteria, fungi, and protozoa and algae. So also I shown you some pictures of bacteria and algae, that is protozoa, fungi, and viruses. Even also we discussed today, that is we are suffering from all, we are because of the COVID-19, that is coronavirus. Also we discussed how it brought badly, it is affected the Indian, not only in Indian country, through the whole world. So that is also we discussed. So again, where do these microorganisms live? And we have unicellular microorganisms and we have multicellular microorganisms also we discussed. And today I'm going to discuss you friendly microorganisms. So there is a relation between us and the microorganisms, that is, that is, okay, whenever you will have eat, you will have food, whenever you have breathe air, that time, because these microorganisms will enter the body, and how it will be benefited to the body or how it will be a badly impact on the body, means bring some diseases to the body. These all what we need to discuss. So that is today friendly microorganisms means these are very brings benefits to the body. That what we need to discuss. That is today friendly microorganisms. Microorganisms are used for the various purposes. Okay, so what purposes? So they are used in the preparation of curd, bread, and cake. So you guys oftenly will eat curd in the daily manner. I'm discussing bread in the morning and the evening with the tea, and the cake whenever you're celebrating the birthday of your friends or your mother or father in the house. So that time you will bring cake. Also these all are the products are made that is because of these microorganisms. Please keep in mind. Okay, microorganisms are playing very important role, means friendly these are. Curd is not affecting our body, means it is not that is not bringing any diseases. That's why it is a friendly manner. These microorganisms are friendly in manner. So curd we need, bread what we eat will not bring any diseases to us. Okay, but not often, means not continuously eating of bread is not good for the health even. So but oftenly, often, not oftenly, little bit whenever celebrating birthdays, that time you can eat bread, cake, everything. Okay, so cake is also one of that. So these products will be converted because of these microorganisms, and they are also used in cleaning up the environment. This is very important. Cleaning, got my point? So the cleaning in the sense, that is, for example, the organic waste products, for example vegetable waste or remaining of the animals like dung, anything, or faces, that is waste product. So these all are broken down into harmless and usable substances by bacteria. Please keep in mind this. Waste products which are not used by the human being. Got my point? These small microorganisms like bacteria will cleaning this environment, will be very friendlier to the environment, will bring a good, that is, will bring a good environment around us because of these microorganisms. Are you getting my point? Recall that bacteria are also used in the preparation of medicines. In agriculture also we are using it. So just to recall it, that is medicines. Whenever you will, that is you will oftenly, whenever you will suffering from anything, that is, for example, you are suffering from fever or any dengue or any other diseases, so we will met doctors. When we will met the doctors, doctor will suggest you that take to tonic or something, any kind of that is tablets or something else. Okay, so those all are made by these bacteria, means these are helpful for the body, will bring immunity to the body. Got my point? So that's why please keep in mind, bacteria are not bad for the body. Some bacteria are there very helpful for our health also. So in last session, that is the last lesson, we discussed it, that is crop production and management. In that we discussed it, that is soil fertility. These some bacteria are there will help to fertile the soil. That is, we can call them as a nitrogen fixation bacteria, rhizobium bacteria. You heard it. Okay, so those are present on the places is nothing but like that. Those all bacteria, rhizobium bacteria, a place is that is on the roots of the plant, will convert that nutrients into completely those which are nutrients which are present in the, that is in the form of nitrogen, will convert as ammonia. Those will be fixed, that ammonia will be fixed into the soil to bring the fertility to the soil, and whichever the nutrients are there, that could be absorbed by the xylem and phloem vessels of the plant. That we discussed in deep in that chapter, or it is also discussed in 7th standard. So please keep in mind, this is very important. Okay, so means friendly microorganisms. These are very friendlier to us. These are very friendlier to us. So how these are friendlier to us, that is what we need to discuss. One good example I will give, that is, the next slide I will move and you will know that making of curd. Everybody know this making of curd. So you guys are don't know that morning you will wake up and you will bring dabbas to the school and you will have your breakfast, you will have your lunch, again you will move back. Okay, you don't know, but the mother know very well how to convert milk into curd. But a little bit you must understand that milk, how it will be converted as a curd, because of these microorganisms. You can give this small information to the mother. You can ask the question, ma'am, mother, you can ask to all guys, I'm requesting that you can ask this question to your mother, that how milk can be converted into curd. Are you getting my point? So if you get the answers, that is better. If you can't get, you can give the information to your mother, she will also know. Okay, because of that, bacteria will play very important role here. So bacteria is microorganism. See, this curd contains several microorganisms. Of these, the bacterium lactobacillus promotes the formation of curd. See, the name of the bacteria is lactobacillus, will play very important role into convert that milk into curd. So these one bacteria of lactobacillus will be keep on multiplying into the milk, will be converted as a curd. Okay, it multiplies in the milk and converts into the curd. Bacteria are also involved in the making of cheese, pickles and many other food items. Not only this one, converting milk into the curd, of other also. Not only these pickles, made cheese and some more products you can get. Okay, so an important ingredient of rava idlis and bhatura is also it. Both these dishes need curd. Okay, rava idli. So that you heard that this one. So whenever making rava with the help of idlis by using the rava or dosa, so a little bit the curd can be added to that. So curd is acting as here ingredient, and which is very important for our body also to maintain the health. Curd and buttermilk, these are very important. These are cheese, these are a little bit you can have it. Okay, So these are very helpful. See, this curd is helpful means how it is converted because of microorganisms. What microorganisms? Bacteria. What kind of bacteria? Lactobacillus. Are you getting my point? So in the next session, the next point, little bit another example I will give, how it will be very helpful for us. Another and activities also there. I will discuss in that. Okay, little bit. So today we discussed that how the friendly microorganisms are helpful for our body also, and how it is cleaning the whole environment and making the environment completely clean. And see, these are very important points to keep in mind, not only for the syllabus purposes. So for if you want to write any competitive examinations in upcoming days, very important. Okay, thank you so much. Keep on watching my videos and share my videos to your friends and colleagues. Tell them to subscribe it. Thank you.